Have you ever watched someone's independence slowly slip away in a nursing home? Picture Sarah, an 83-year-old who once danced in her garden every morning. Now she sits quietly in a facility, waiting for scheduled meals and medication times. But what if there was another way? Today's stories will challenge everything you thought about aging. Meet remarkable seniors who found creative ways to maintain their freedom, dignity, and joy of life, right in their own homes. From a former technophobe who now teaches iPad classes to a grandmother who transformed her home into a vibrant community hub. These stories prove that age is just a number when it comes to living life on your own terms. Before we dive into these inspiring tales, take a moment to join our growing community of empowered seniors. Share your city in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing advice that puts you in control of your golden years. Let's begin with Grace Anderson, whose story might just change how you see the possibilities ahead. 1. Inspiring success stories. Meet Grace Anderson, an 83-year-old from Portland who turned her empty nest into a thriving community hub. 5 years ago, my children suggested a nursing home, she recalls with a gentle laugh. Instead, I transformed my loneliness into something beautiful. Grace's journey began with a simple book club meeting in her living room. What started with 3 neighbors has blossomed into the Silver Chapter, a community of 30 seniors who meet weekly to discuss everything from classic literature to current events. Books were just the beginning, Grace explains. We've become a family who looks out for each other. But Grace didn't stop there. When COVID hit, she learned to host virtual meetings, proving that age is no barrier to adaptation. Today, her virtual book club connects seniors across 5 states. Technology scared me at first, she admits, but now I can't imagine life without our Zoom gatherings. William Parker, 87 from Boston, tells a different but equally inspiring story. A retired high school teacher who once refused to own a smartphone, William now teaches basic technology skills to fellow seniors. My grandson gave me an iPad for Christmas, he chuckles. I was ready to return it. Now I'm teaching others how to FaceTime with their grandchildren. Through a local senior center, William started Tech Tuesdays, where he helps peers navigate the digital world. Last week, I taught an 89-year-old how to order groceries online, he beams. The joy in her eyes when she placed her first order, that's what keeps me going. Perhaps the most remarkable transformation comes from Martha Reynolds, 85, of Minneapolis. After a fall that nearly sent her to a nursing home, Martha reimagined her living space. Everyone said I couldn't live alone anymore, she remembers. I took that as a challenge. Working with an occupational therapist, Martha modified her home with simple but effective changes. Her garden, once a source of worry for her family, became a model of adaptive design. Raised beds and vertical gardens allow her to tend her beloved plants without bending. Now my garden isn't just my joy, it's where our neighborhood seniors gather every Wednesday for coffee and conversation. These stories share a common thread: the courage to choose a different path. As Martha puts it, age may change how we do things, but it doesn't have to change where we call home. Have you ever faced pressure to give up your independence? What small changes could help you maintain your autonomy at home? Share your thoughts in the comments below. While individual determination is powerful, no one needs to walk this journey alone. Let's explore how building a strong community network can transform your aging experience. 2. Community support networks. Remember the old saying, "It takes a village"? In today's world, that village might just be the key to maintaining your independence. Let me share something remarkable happening in Denver, Colorado. The Silver Friends Network started with just 5 neighbors who decided to look out for each other. Linda Martinez, 75, one of the founders, explains, "We realized we all had different strengths. Mike's great with technology, I love cooking, and Sarah used to be a nurse. Why not help each other? Today, their network has grown to 30 seniors across 3 neighborhoods. They've created a simple but effective system: daily check-in calls, shared transportation schedules, and weekly potluck dinners. It's not just about assistance, Linda says. It's about belonging. Here's how you can build your own support network. Start with your immediate neighborhood. Barbara Collins, 78, from Seattle, began by simply inviting neighbors for coffee. Now we have a walking group every morning at 9. We exercise, chat, and keep an eye on each other. If someone doesn't show up, we check in. Local senior centers are gold mines of opportunities. Take Frank Thompson, 82, who discovered his local center offered more than just bingo. They have exercise classes, computer workshops, and even help with Medicare paperwork. But the real treasure? The friendships I've made. Transportation often becomes a major concern, but creative solutions exist. The Rideshare Buddies program in Phoenix, started by retired bus driver Tom Wilson, 77, coordinates volunteer drivers among active seniors. We're not just giving rides, Tom explains. We're creating connections. Last month, 2 of our regular riders started a book club together. Community involvement can take many forms. Volunteer at local libraries or schools. Join or start a hobby group. Participate in community gardens. Attend religious or spiritual gatherings. Connect with meal-sharing programs. The key is finding what works for you. As Helen Rodriguez, 79, from Miami puts it, I was worried about losing my independence. Instead, I found a whole new family. We celebrate birthdays together, share meals, and there's always someone to call if I need help. Remember, asking for help isn't surrendering independence. It's being smart about staying independent. The strongest people I know, says Linda, are those who know when to reach out. What kind of community support would make the biggest difference in your life? Have you discovered unique ways to stay connected in your neighborhood? While community support provides the social foundation, making your home work for you is equally important. Let's explore how simple modifications can transform your living space into a haven of independence. 3. Home modifications. My home isn't just a house, it's 40 years of memories, says Robert Wilson, 84, from Austin. When my kids suggested moving to a facility, I instead asked, how can I make this space work better for me? Robert's story represents a growing movement of seniors who are revolutionizing their living spaces without sacrificing the comfort of home. Let's explore how simple, smart modifications can make a world of difference. The kitchen, heart of independence. Eleanor Schmidt, 79, from Portland, transformed her kitchen with ingenious solutions. I lowered some cabinets, installed pull-out shelves, and added motion sensor lights, she explains. Now, cooking isn't just possible, it's enjoyable again. Her most valuable addition? A sturdy kitchen island with seating. It's where I prep meals, rest when needed, and host my weekly coffee gatherings. Bathroom. Safety meets style. Who says grab bars have to look institutional? Asks Maria Hernandez, 82, from San Diego. Her bathroom renovation proves safety can be stylish. We installed designer grab bars that double as towel racks, a walk-in shower with a built-in bench, and non-slip tiles that look like elegant marble. My grandchildren call it the spa bathroom. Smart solutions throughout. Motion-activated nightlights along hallways, anti-slip strips on stairs that complement carpet, lever-style door handles replacing traditional knobs, strategic furniture placement creating clear pathways, remote-controlled window blinds and lighting. The garden connection. James Peterson, 86, from Charlotte, refused to give up his beloved gardening. We created raised beds at perfect height. No more bending. Now my garden is more productive than ever. His innovative solution? Vertical gardening walls and container gardens on rolling platforms. I can tend to my plants while seated if needed. Cost-effective approaches. You don't need a complete renovation, advises occupational therapist Sarah Thompson. Start small. Even simple changes like removing throw rugs or adding better lighting can significantly improve safety. Many seniors are surprised to learn about available resources: home modification grants for seniors, Medicare coverage for certain safety equipment, local aging-in-place programs, free home safety assessments, community volunteer programs for basic modifications. The DIY approach, David Chen, 77, from Minneapolis, organizes monthly Home Safety Sundays, where neighbors help each other with simple modifications. Last month, we installed bathroom grab bars for 3 neighbors. Next month, we're tackling better lighting. It's become a community effort. Remember, every modification, no matter how small, is a step toward maintaining independence. As Robert says, these changes didn't just make my home safer, they gave me back my confidence. What simple changes could make your home work better for you? Have you discovered any creative solutions worth sharing? While a safe home environment is crucial, maintaining your health and wellness is equally important. Let's explore how you can stay vibrant and active right where you are. 4. Health and wellness. Age is just a number, but how you take care of yourself, that's what really counts, says Patricia Sullivan, 81, from Minneapolis, who leads a senior yoga group in her living room 3 times a week. Her journey to wellness began after realizing that staying active was her ticket to independence. Let's explore how seniors across America are taking charge of their health while staying comfortably at home. The Morning Movers Club? What started as 3 neighbors walking together has grown into something extraordinary. Margaret Chen, 77, from Seattle, founded the Morning Movers Club. We meet at 8 a.m., rain or shine. Some walk, others use walkers, but everyone moves, she explains. The magic isn't just in the exercise, it's in the laughter and conversation. Their simple formula: 30-minute walks at individual paces, social time with healthy snacks afterward, weekly health tip sharing, weather-appropriate indoor alternatives. Tech-savvy wellness. Howard Freeman, 83, from Boston, discovered the power of technology in maintaining his health. My granddaughter introduced me to virtual exercise classes. Now I do chair yoga 3 times a week without leaving my living room. He uses a tablet to join online fitness communities specifically designed for seniors. The instructors understand our needs, and I can pause anytime I need to rest. Nutrition made simple. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated, says Ruth Martinez, 79, a former dietitian who now helps seniors plan easy, nutritious meals. She started the Swap and Share program in her community. Every Sunday, we exchange healthy, home-cooked meals. It ensures variety in our diets and gives us a reason to cook properly. Ruth's tips for maintaining good nutrition: prep vegetables once a week for easy access, use a delivery service for heavy groceries, keep healthy snacks at eye level, share meals with neighbors to avoid waste, stay hydrated with flavored water. Mental wellness matters. Dorothy Williams, 85, from Phoenix, recognized that mental health is just as important as physical health. She started a Joy Journal group where seniors meet weekly to share positive experiences. Depression can sneak up on you when you're alone, she says. Our meetings give us something to look forward to. The group's activities include gratitude sharing, memory exercises, creative writing, mindfulness practices, social game nights. Telemedicine, the new normal. At first, I was skeptical about virtual doctor visits, admits Frank Cooper, 78, from Denver. Now I love the convenience. I can consult my doctor without arranging transportation. He keeps a simple health diary on his smartphone, tracking medications, symptoms, and questions for his next appointment. Preventive care at home, Barbara Watson, 82, created a wellness corner in her home. Blood pressure monitor, medication organizer, exercise equipment, emergency contact list, health journal. It's about being proactive, she explains. When you monitor your health regularly, small issues don't become big problems. What simple health habits could you start today? How has staying active helped maintain your independence? While maintaining our health is crucial, embracing technology can open new doors to independence. Let's explore how seniors are using modern tools to enhance their daily lives. 5. Technology and independence. I used to think technology was just for young people, chuckles Richard Thompson, 85, from Chicago. Now my smart home devices are like having a personal assistant. They help me stay independent, connected, and safe. Let's explore how seniors across America are embracing technology to enhance their independence, one device at a time. Smart home, safe home. Martha Stevens, 79, from San Francisco, transformed her home with simple tech solutions. It started with automatic lights, she explains. Now I have video doorbells, voice-controlled thermostats, and automated medication reminders. Her favorite device? A smart speaker that lets her call for help or contact family hands-free. Essential smart home features: motion-activated lighting, voice-controlled devices, security cameras, automated pill dispensers, smart smoke detectors, staying connected. The pandemic taught me that technology isn't optional anymore, says Gloria Martinez, 82, from Miami. After learning to use video chat, she now hosts virtual coffee mornings with friends across the country. We share stories, check on each other, and my grandchildren pop in for virtual hugs. Simple apps that seniors love: video calling platforms, medication tracking apps, grocery delivery services, brain training games, social media for seniors, learning at your own pace. Tom Wilson, 88, from Portland, leads Tech Thursdays at his local senior center. The secret is starting small, he advises. We begin with basic smartphone features, then gradually explore more advanced tools. No pressure, just progress. His teaching approach: one feature at a time, hands-on practice, written instructions, regular review sessions, celebration of small wins, family connection tech. Technology keeps me involved in my family's daily life, beams Eleanor Rodriguez, 83, from Austin. She uses a digital photo frame that family members can update remotely. Every morning, I wake up to new pictures of my great-grandchildren. It's like they're right here with me. Safety through technology. Harold Freeman, 86, from Seattle, discovered how technology could enhance his safety. My children worried about me living alone until we installed a smart home monitoring system, he shares. The system alerts family members if it detects unusual patterns in his daily routine. Key safety features: fall detection devices, GPS tracking watches, emergency response buttons, remote health monitoring, smart door locks. Breaking down tech barriers. The biggest obstacle is fear, says Sarah Chen, 77, a former teacher who now helps seniors embrace technology. Once you realize these devices are designed to help, not confuse, everything becomes easier. Tips for getting started. Ask family members for guidance. Join local tech workshops. Start with one device. Practice daily. Connect with tech-savvy seniors. Remember, as Richard says, technology isn't about replacing human connection. It's about enhancing it. It gives us more ways to stay independent, safe, and connected to those we love. What technology could make your daily life easier? Have you discovered any helpful apps or devices worth sharing? While technology can enhance our independence, understanding our financial options is crucial for maintaining it. Let's explore practical ways to manage the financial aspects of aging in place. 6. Practical financial planning. Financial independence is just as important as physical independence, says Barbara Mitchell, 79, from Denver. But no one teaches you how to navigate the costs of aging at home until you're facing them. Let's break down the practical ways seniors are managing their finances to maintain their independence without the overwhelming costs of nursing homes. Smart financial strategies. Helen Cooper, 82, from Boston, created a freedom fund after researching nursing home costs. I realized I could use that same money to modify my home and hire part-time help, she explains. I'm spending less and maintaining my independence. Compare the costs. Average nursing home, $8,000 to $10,000 per month. Home modifications and care, $2,000 to $4,000 per month. Potential savings, up to $72,000 annually. Understanding Medicare and Medicaid. Don't wait until you need help to understand your benefits, advises James Wilson, 84, former insurance advisor. He created a senior study group that meets monthly to discuss healthcare coverage options. Key coverage insights: Medicare coverage for home health services, Medicaid waiver programs for home care, supplemental insurance options, equipment coverage possibilities, prescription drug plans, creative cost-cutting solutions. Mary Rodriguez, 77, from Phoenix, organized a resource share network in her community. We split costs for services we all need, she explains. From hiring a weekly housekeeper to sharing grocery delivery fees, we're saving money while helping each other. Community cost-sharing examples: group transportation services, bulk grocery purchases, shared caregiving expenses, group fitness classes, maintenance service contracts, available assistance programs. There's help available, but you need to know where to look, says Thomas Chang, 81, who volunteers at his local senior center helping others find financial resources. Worth exploring: property tax exemptions for seniors, energy assistance programs, home modification grants, meal delivery subsidies, prescription assistance programs, planning for the future. The key is thinking ahead, advises Patricia Sullivan, 85, who created a detailed aging-in-place budget. I factor in everything from increasing healthcare needs to home maintenance. Essential budget considerations: home modification costs, healthcare expenses, transportation needs, emergency fund, daily living expenses, family conversations. Having the money talk with family isn't easy, admits Robert Davis, 83, from Seattle. But it's better to discuss options while you're still independent. He suggests regular family meetings to discuss financial planning and future needs. Tips for family discussions: be open about current costs, share research on options, discuss shared responsibilities, create emergency plans, review regularly. Remember, as Barbara says, financial planning isn't just about money, it's about maintaining control of your life choices. What financial strategies have helped you maintain independence? Have you discovered any creative ways to manage aging in-place costs? As we wrap up our journey through these essential aspects of maintaining independence, let's reflect on the power of choice and determination in crafting our golden years. Life's greatest adventures don't end at retirement, reflects Grace Anderson, whom we met at the beginning. They simply take on a new form, shaped by our choices. Throughout these stories, we've met remarkable seniors who chose to write their own scripts for their golden years. From Martha's innovative garden to Richard's embrace of technology, each story proves that aging doesn't mean surrendering control of your life. The choice between a nursing home and independent living isn't just about where you'll live, it's about how you'll live. With the right preparation, support, and mindset, maintaining independence is not just possible, it's deeply fulfilling. Share your own independent story in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories and practical advice on aging with dignity. Remember, as Helen says, the secret to aging well isn't about fighting time. It's about embracing change while holding on to what matters most, our independence. Like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing advice.